Getting started with Charles Schwab is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, go to the Charles Schwab website and click on the Open an Account button. From there, you will be asked to choose the type of account you want to open, such as a brokerage account, retirement account, or bank account. Once you have selected the type of account, you will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, social security number, and employment status. You will also need to fund your account, which can be done by transferring money from a bank account or by mailing a check. After your account is open and funded, you can start investing in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Charles Schwab offers a range of investment products and tools to help you make informed investment decisions, including research reports, market analysis, and portfolio management software. One of the key benefits of using Charles Schwab is the low fees and commissions associated with buying and selling investments. The company also offers a range of educational resources and customer support to help you get started and stay on track with your investment goals. To get the most out of your Charles Schwab account, it is a good idea to take some time to learn about the different investment options and tools available. You can also set up a portfolio that is tailored to your individual needs and risk tolerance, and monitor your investments on a regular basis to make sure they are aligned with your goals. Overall, getting started with Charles Schwab is a simple and straightforward process that can help you achieve your investment goals. By following these steps and taking advantage of the company's range of investment products and tools, you can start building a diversified portfolio and working towards a more secure financial future.